Apple's AR/VR headset nearing good idea, by the way, Will. Apple's AR/VR headset nearing completion as board gets demo. Apple last week demonstrated its upcoming AR/VR headset to Apple board members, indicating that the device is in advanced stage of development and could see a debut in the not too distant future. This comes via Bloomberg and then Mac Rumors. Apple has also ramped up development of the software that runs the headset, with the software expected to be called Reality OS, or ROS for short. So they're going full Zuckerberg, aren't they? No? Go ahead, Will.
If it's AR,
Yeah.
I feel like it's more comfortable calling it Reality OS.
So
Because you're not in like a virtual world.
kind of like an overlay.
Yeah.
Reality overlay. So you will be wearing this headset.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, you're going to... I know that they apparently, from a hardware perspective, were aiming at something thinner and lighter than what we've seen in the past. So you're going to be expected to wear it all day. Imagine the future, a couple years from now in this office, we just have these on all the time.
Yeah.
No? Yes? No?
Yeah.
No.
Sure.
Big no for you.
Not big no. Just
Small no.
just a small no.
What's the problem, Mo?
This doesn't look light to me. It looks like, remember the Max headphones?
It seems front heavy.
It seems front heavy, and I don't think that I would enjoy it.
I don't think this is the real...
Of course not. But if this is anything, if this is what we're basing the rumors off of, my answer right now would be no. Because based off of this image, I don't think it would be very comfortable.
No.
No.
Not for Mo. So
Ski goggles, yeah.
it will feature two 4K micro OLED displays, 15 camera modules, powerful processors equivalent to the M series chips, eye tracking capabilities, hand gesture support, spatial audio, and other features when it launches. The headset is expected to cost somewhere around $3,000.
How much?
Yeah, they're not targeting mass market right away.
No.
No. They're targeting that early adopter first. Unlike Will's favorite headset, shout out Carson. Mm-hmm. Will's favorite headset is very accessible because he's all up in the Zuckerberg train.
Yeah.
That's like what, 400?
$399.
Yeah.
Quest. Mm-hmm. But that's VR, not AR. The question is, what do people really want to do? Do people want to be in the real world with the overlay, or do they want to be in the fake world completely at times and then unplug completely at times? Because it's funny. I'm one of these people. I can go from being like power user status, full engagement, full immersion, to just regular life and wanting to turn everything off. I'm kind of polar when it comes to...
Oh, you're like a light switch.
Well, when it comes to digital exposure, like I enjoy putting my stuff away for a while.
Oh, same.
But I also love it at times when I'm using it.
When you're fully immersed.
Yeah, so I don't know what the humans are going to choose. Or if it will always be some sort of hybrid of both, or possibly a singular headset that can do both in the future. You can flip the VR switch or the AR switch, and like some shade comes over the lenses, and then now all of a sudden it's full immersion, and then you pop the lens up, and then it's you're seeing the overlay, the AR overlay.
But are you excited that it's getting closer?
I mean, I'm excited for new categories. Not gonna lie, when it comes to the smartphone thing, NGL, right, Mo?
Don't know what that means.
Not gonna lie.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't you ever do the texting, or are you too old for that?
No.
No.
$3,000 for a headset.
Okay, well, it's fringe for now. Early adopter.
But it's Apple.
Are you still unhappy with that? Even if it's just for early adopters, the $3,000 is a non-starter for you?
It just seems, yeah. I mean, again, I don't know what they're offering.
But you said you got a 10 CTR for $1,700.
Yeah.
Earlier.
Okay.
The audience is like, what?
Remember?
Yeah.
I'll explain. Okay, so Mo decided he's going to save the Unbox Therapy channel with one single item that everybody in the world is going to want to see. And I said, are you sure about that? Because it's very hard to figure out what the hell people want to actually see and click on in this day and age. Because you get another You get some other random smartphone, NGL.
Yeah.
NGL.
Now that I know what it means, I want to say
I'm
it.
glad you're having fun.
wanna
I'm glad you're
say it.
having fun today, Will. I appreciate it.
Does that even make sense?
Absolutely
What you
not.
just said.
Absolutely not. It's like it's a way of me saying I'm not. It's a way of
I
me
hear you.
saying I'm not gonna lie, because if I were to tell you the truth, then you would know that it's not a lot of people interested. It's just you got to read all the way. I say myself a
Sure.
sentence.
You got to fill in the blanks.
Save myself a
Bionic
sentence.
reading.
Let me tell you something. The community, they know exactly what I'm doing.
Right. Okay.
They don't need to take a break or a pause. And now it's going to be all NGLs all day in the chat and in the comments. Shout out Laterverse. So what can I say about it? I'm excited for new categories. I'm excited for things that aren't smartphones. I'm excited for tech that's different, that you get to experiment with, and maybe have some little bit of that magic dust.
Excitement.
Do you know the magic dust when you can hold something and sort of be transported into the future? It's like time travel.
Right.
You hold it and you're like, whoa. This is a leap type of moment. They exist. I mean, I've been doing this.
You're talking about like BlackBerry keyboard to touchscreen iPhone moment.
When I was born,
Uh-huh.
we ate dinner by candlelight.
Okay. NGL.
I'm saying we made a lot of progress in the 100 years I've been on this earth.
Uh-huh.
And there have been moments along the way, because I've been doing this for 10, 11, 12, I don't know. And there's been moments along the way where you had that magic dust.
Yeah.
You lifted it up, you saw the residual on your palm. So, oh, damn.
Yeah.
Part of something.
Cool happened here.
And then there's been the opposite of that, sandpaper. You pick it up and it's just wearing you down. So it will be cool to put our hands on something that is completely new category. See where that goes. See what that all means.
Right.
Evaluate. Analyze. NGO.